So that clicking noise you're hearing, like I explained earlier, the machine is basically stuck in one position in between spin and agitation. Now, it was also letting in a lot of water, so I'm going to show you how to fix that. It should not have so much water in it. That is way too much for that washer. So take a look at the bottom. You can see how low it's sitting. That is way close. That is sitting on the ground. So to fix this issue, you want to take the cover off in the back, and that's the board, and that clear tube, that's your pressure sensor. It's a transducer. It's located right behind the hose. So what you're going to do, remove the hose and trim just a tiny bit off the tip. You don't want to cut too much, and just a sliver. And once you've taken that piece off, go ahead and reinstall it, drain the water, unplug the machine, and try another load and see how that goes. Everything should be fine on the water portion of the repair. Now you'll have to deal with the shifter part, which is what is causing the machine to not agitate. So now we're going to check it. I'm going to turn power back on. All right, so as it was agitating or trying to, this part should be moving. When the entire drum turns is when the unit is in spin. This part needs to be turning. So I'm going to tip it over, and we're going to see where the shifter, the position that the shifter is in. If the shifter is in the wrong position, it's going to cause the machine to try and agitate when it should. It's going to agitate while it's in spin. In other words, the agitation is going against the spin. It's almost like it's confused. So let's tilt it back and take a look. Now this needs to be back here. We need to change this. This shifter's bad. Unplug it, turn the power off. 2 Phillips screws. This is the shifter. I'm going to replace the shift actuator. See that? That's not supposed to be like that. I knew the washer was stuck. See this? This goes back and forth. That. Wow, this is stuck. Here we go. That's agitation. That's spin. See that? Alright, so now I'm going to replace this, and we should be up and running. All right, so I'm going to finish putting this on. I need 2 hands, guys. So I'm going to leave this off for now, just for testing, and you'll see it working. All right, pretty soon you'll see the center, this piece. So if you ever notice that your washer during the agitation, it's going super slow, that tells you that the unit, this piece, it's stuck in spin or in between spin. So it's trying to agitate. During wash, the only piece that is moving is this, our agitator.